Nuer like a leader. That is the fact. No, you know, while a log, you know, Maria, you know, you guys are not leader. Kayen kwar Nuer, kayen chichwale kwar of myself, leader of yourself. Kayen kwar gan kun. You want to make your children proud. You want to take your children to America. You want to take your children to the safety place. Ko kwar la boka so Sudan malare gad ka. Akananga goje da diyan ko junubu mamu wo yeda. Chicken belaliu. You are not a leader. You're just like them. Jiram kel kake. Ko kwara be ben ka so Sudan da na be chare. Igad junubu Sudan. That is the really leader of that country. That is the really leader. We come to Tamra, did he reject you? You know what? Tell you. You don't have money in the office right now. Alakon, Nuer, we are a failure community. We are a community who fail to lead themselves. Community who fail to go forward. A community who need a savior like Jesus. A community who doesn't believe in themselves. That is the community we are. A community we think that somebody, if it comes from nowhere, is much and more mature than us. Jana da ana gwai kawana nishiya. Ramabo waje da diyan, ramabo na gwada diyan, kwa jang, kwa ngu, kandi alga dorjinu ba Sudan gwai kawana miche go bere Nuer is much mature. Goda Nuer da ke lead. We don't see our own men. We don't see our own women. Oda cannot lead. We don't see it. Ko kondor michwa Nuer, Lloyd and Chetianka mutual hatred. Lloyd and Chetianko guer kenyir kedar. Ko Nuere kon mantu we don't believe in ourselves.